This is Christopher Bruza, and I have decided to do a giveaway on this Victorinox Spartan pocket knife in a limited Onyx Black finish on the metal. It comes in this box, black knife, and you'll notice all of the tools on it are a black chrome finish. That includes the little metal pieces in here, the corkscrew, the key ring. It comes with a lanyard. Even the toothpick is black, along with the plastic head on the tweezers. So it's a $70 value. And if you'd like to be entered to win this knife, down below in the description you will find a link to an external website where you get one entry for subscribing and one entry for following me on Instagram, so you can have a total of 2 entries. The contest is going to run from February 1st to midnight on Valentine's Day, February 14, and we'll send the knife to the winner. You've got to be in the continental US, and that's it. Good luck. It's a nice knife. It should serve anybody well, and I appreciate you watching, subscribing, liking. Enjoy.